Hello children, now second class mathematics. What is our chapter now? Fourth chapter. Take out children, take your textbooks and notebook also take. Take your textbooks first of all. Now which chapter? Fourth chapter. What is our fourth chapter? Comparing 3-digit numbers. COMPARING. Comparing THRA3 DIGIT digit NUMBERS numbers. Comparing 3-digit numbers. Now which page children? Page number 49. Open it children. Page number 49. In previous class 2 we already learning this 354, 321. So in 100 place same number is there, but tens place number is only changing. That's why which one is big? You are keeping only there. Next one, third bit, page number 49 children. Page number 49. Open it. Third bit now. Look at the notes and coins shown below. Say which are more and which are less. Which are more or which are less? See here. In first number, what is this? Which number is this? Say ones place 1, tens place 3 having, hundreds place 2. So the number is 231. 231. So how many hundreds having children here? 200. How many hundreds? 200s. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3. How many tens having here? 3 tens. 3 tens, 200s, 1, 1. Here 200s, 3 tens, 1, 1 only. Yes children, they are up 1. They are down 1, see. What is this number? 1s, tens, hundreds. 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 5 ones. So 235. 235. Here how many hundreds having children? 2 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So in these two numbers, to which number is big children? In both 231 and 235. See here, hundreds place, you check it children, both. Here also 200 rupees notes are there. Here also down 200 rupees notes are there. So in two places equal only. Yes. Next number here, tens place will taking now. In tens place 2, here 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are there. In down also 1, 2, 3. 3 tens having here also. So here also same, equal. Next ones place number, check it children. Ones place number, there up 1, only 1 is there. There down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number is big children? 235 is big. So therefore 235 is, this number is bigger. Yes. In 3-digit numbers, if hundreds and tens are equal. This is it. 3-digit numbers only 2. So here hundreds place and tens place only equal. But in ones place number with more ones is the bigger number. Which one having more numbers? That one only bigger. So here having in ones place 2 more. So this one only bigger. So here it means 235 is bigger than 231. See here 235 greater than 231. So 231 is less than 235. This like will read children. Okay. Are you understand now? Now next page. Page number 50. Exercise problems. Identify the bigger number and mark. Identify the bigger number and mark it right mark. Okay. Which one is big? That number to right tick it. Okay. Here example given, children. 200. What is this number here? Ones, tens, hundreds. 294. This number is 294. This number 319. 319. So in these numbers, to which one is big? First of all, you check hundreds place number. Here 3, here 2. So here in these two numbers, to which one is big? Which one is more? 3 is more only. So you are keeping right tick. So this number is big number. Are you understand now? Same this like only. Now the down one also you check it, children. This one now. A question. 756. 432. 756, 432. Here hundreds place number you check it, children. Here 4, here 7. Which number is big, children? 756 is big. We keep right tick. Okay. Are you understand? Next one. B1. Here hundreds place you check it. Hundreds place 6, 6. Same only. Tens place 7, 7. Same. Next ones place you check it, children. Here 0, here 9. Which one is more? 9 is big number only. So we'll keep right tick here. 679 is big number. Are you understand now? Okay. Now 550, 543. So which one is big? Hundreds place number you check it. Same, equal. Tens place number, here 4, here 5. 5, 4. Which number is big now? 5 is big? Yes. So we keep right tick here. 550 is greater than. Are you understand? 550 is big number. Okay, next one. Here 800. What is this number? 1, 2, sorry, 1s, 10s, hundreds. 800s, 5 tens, 6 ones. 856. Here 851. So here hundreds place 8, 8. Same. Tens place 5, 5. Same. Ones place 6, 1. Which one is big? This one only. So we keep right tick here. All of you write this. Write in your notebook too also, children, this bit. Okay. First bit. Write in your notebook. And next also I will explain now. Identify the smaller number and draw circle around it. Here we identify bigger number only. Here we identified smaller number, small number. Okay. See here, which number is this? 738. Here 769. So in these two numbers too, which number is small? Small number too you keep circle, children. Not big number here. Small number only take. 738 is small number. Hundreds place is same, but tens place is changing only. Here 3, here 6. 3 is small number only. So that's why we are circling. Next one. 463, 154. 463, 154. In these two numbers too, which number is small? First of all, we'll check it. Hundreds place. Here 4, here 1. Which number is small? This number. So we circle it. Okay, circle it, children. Next one, B1, 537, 645. Hundreds place number only check it. Here 500s, here 600s. Which one is small number? 500s or 600s? 500 only, small number only? Yes. So, now which number to circling? 537. This number to circle it. Okay. Next one. 248, 264. Observe, children, hundreds place number only equal. Tens place number you check it, here 4, here 6. So in these two numbers, to which one is small? This one. Circle it, all of you. Small number to circle it. Okay. Next one. Here 707, 705. So hundreds place numbers will same. Tens place number 0, 0 same. Ones place number, here 7, here 5. Which number is small, 7 or 5? 5 is small. 705. Okay. Next bit, third bit. Write the correct symbol greater than, less than, equal to in the blank boxes. Here see 304, 201. In these numbers to which one is big? That side only you keep this symbol. This greater than symbol, less than, equals to. Okay. Here 620, 580. So here which number is big, children? Here 500s, here 600s. So this one only big. So we'll keep this like only. Greater than symbol. Okay, next B question. Hundreds place only same. 900s having here. Here also same 900s having. Here 3 tens, here 7 tens. So which one is big? 7 tens only. Next one. 7, 7. Hundreds place numbers same. Tens place number, here 6, here 4. 6 is big number. 763 is greater than 746. Next 864, 953. Here 800 having, here 900 having. So how many more hundreds having? Which number to having more hundreds? This number, 953. So complete it, children. Next one. 520. Here also same 520. Same number having means which symbol will came? Equal to. Is equal to. Here 987. 965. 9 same only. Here 8, here 6. Tens place will changing. Which number is big? 8 or 6? 8 number is big. So 987. Next one. 736. 746. Here 746. 864, 864. See here, hundreds place is same, tens place is same, ones place also same. So the number is 864 here, here 864. So which symbol is this? Is equal to. So learn, children. Right, all of you? Okay, this symbol is greater than. Say all of you, greater than, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal to. Okay? Right, all of you? In next ascending order and descending order, in next class I will explaining, children. Right, all of you? Completed. Those are not completed, completed. This one are there, here only.